This is in addition to my original Ursula video that I made about a year or so ago. I finally completed her to my satisfaction. She's not perfect, but I'm tired of working on her, so she's good enough for me. I know I said that I was going to make her a fabric dress, but I don't feel like doing that, so I decided to finally just paint a dress on her in some glossy paint, which I think is pretty cool. I like the glossy, shiny look. She was originally wearing a hefty bag in the first part of the video, but so I cleaned her up a little bit. So if I get a little closer, you can see little details. I added some details like her little what do you call it, shell necklace. She likes to accessorize, and I added some little long red sexy fingernails for her. She likes to look sexy when she's under the sea. Sexy little sea witch she is. Scroll down her little body here. You can see her tentacles, which I did the best I could. I needed them to be removable. So that's why you can see some lines here. It's because they can come off. So I can store her and move her around. So, not as perfect as I'd like her to be. Nothing ever is, of course, but I like her. I think she's ready to go. She's ready for whatever I want her for. I'm really not entirely sure. I know my original plan was to take her to the Fort Wilderness campground at Disney World for a Halloween decoration. I planned on making a Disney villain Halloween display. I don't know if that's ever going to be finished. I've got some other characters I'm working on, but I'm happy with her for now. I just basically wanted to see if I could do this. I didn't think it was going to take this long, but just so you know, anybody who enjoys stuff like this, I like stuff like this, you can make Disney for yourself in your own home, in your backyard, and wasn't that expensive, and was pretty much a bunch of foam and paper mache. So this is what you can do, boys and girls, with paper mache if you're really motivated. So that's it from Miss Ursula, and I'm off to my next project. Thanks for watching.